Wakhuluma, 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 Ntsele. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Phiwokuhle, and in this channel, I'll be talking about beauty, lifestyle, self-care, vlogs, and anything and everything you can think of. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing tips and a guide on how to start loving yourself as an individual. Loving yourself starts from within, and you start to feel the love and care that you have for yourself. But in order to do that, you have to stop thinking negatively. Rub out negative thoughts out of your mind and just clear anything that is negative and love yourself more, because loving yourself is a priority and you are the only person that got yourself. So you need to start loving yourself, taking good care of yourself, and ensure that you are loyal to yourself. You are not showing yourself self-love if you always constantly have anxiety and you feel lonely and you feel depressed, you have a lot of thoughts running in your mind and you just don't know how to handle that. You need to clear all of that because it's negative thoughts. Self-doubts, lack of confidence, and being insecure about yourself is not a way to go. The more you think about yourself in that way, the more you will. So just clear everything that is negative into your mind and replace it with positivity. A step to replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Get a journal. Every time you are feeling like you are down and you are not understanding yourself and you are emotional about the way you are, or you have insecurities, or you have the lack of confidence and that self-doubt, ensure that you write how you feel on the journal and make sure that you write each and everything that you are feeling, because it's not going to work if you are skipping things and you are leaving things out. Ensure that you are writing each and everything that you are feeling into your journal. That will help you to feel like you are talking to someone, because that comes from you knowing that you feel like you have no one to talk to. So that's how the journal comes in. So you write everything, how you feel, how you want things to be, how you want to feel also, because that helps with expressing yourself and it feels like you're talking to someone, and it feels like you are also giving yourself advice on how to love yourself more. That's a step where you can start replacing negative thoughts with positive thoughts. After you have written all that you feel, after expressing yourself on your journal, ensure to translate all of that into affirmations. So if you have written that you are feeling like you don't have enough confidence in yourself, translate it into an affirmation. I feel confident about myself. I am confident in the things that I do. I am confident in the job that I'm doing. Things like that. And if you have written that you feel lonely or you feel like no one is there for you, that's an expression. Translate that into I am loved, I am cared for, I show myself love, I show myself care. An affirmation is positive thinking and self-empowerment. So the more you affirm about yourself and how you feel, the more your mindset changes into positivity, into positive thinking, and the more things start happening for you because you have changed your mindset into being a positive person. So if you're always thinking negatively, that will also impact, like thinking that you can't achieve things for yourself and you feel like you're not good enough for this type of work, you're not good enough for being this type of person, and you're not good enough for this person anyhow. But when you use words of affirmations, it changes your mental state and changes your life itself, because you will start improving your life positively, and you will start having the things that you've always wanted into your life. Practicing words of affirmation each and every day, or each and every morning, or whatever time that you schedule your journaling time. You need to start journaling anyways, so it's part of journaling when you affirm your life and you affirm about yourself and how to love yourself. So you need to schedule and write everything that you are feeling and translate that into positivity. And positivity means affirmations, and affirmation means good life, having the things that you've always wanted, feeling the way you've always wanted to feel about yourself, and being confident about yourself, because no one is going to tell you, hi, you're beautiful. Yes, you are beautiful. You have to tell yourself that you're beautiful first before the next person tells you that you're beautiful, so you need to start doing words of affirmations. So if you are writing that I am beautiful, practice being beautiful. Like, it's as simple as that. Go to the mirror, look at yourself, smile, look at the features of your face, just look only the positivity on your face. Make sure you are looking at a beautiful person. So do that, it's gonna help. Invite God into your life. If you feel like you're about to experience a mental breakdown, ask the Holy Spirit to help you. You have to ask the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit lives inside of you, so ensure that the Holy Spirit guides you. Always ask God for help. He is going to show you the way, but do not, every time you're about to have a mental breakdown, stop it by praying. That's how you stop a mental breakdown. Start praying. Always pray. Each and every day of your life, just dedicate your life to God. God is going to give you what you need for yourself. So do words of affirmations, practice words of affirmations, and invite God into your life. Inviting God helps you to see through the things that you've never thought that you'd see, to be honest, and you start to think positively, start to be grateful for everything that you have. And being grateful is a good thing. Be grateful for everything that you have. Do not envy anyone's life, and you see your friends having, like, improving their lives and doing goals whatsoever, and you feel like you're not doing anything. You are doing something. You are always praying. You are being productive each and every day. You wake up. You're supposed to be grateful. Just be grateful for what you have. The more you practice self-care, self-love, the more you become that person. The more you practice your affirmations, the more you become that person. So ensure that you are practicing self-care. Ensure that you are doing that, because if you're not doing that, it's not gonna work for you. It's not gonna work out for you. You're gonna constantly feeling the things that you're feeling negatively, and you're not gonna go anywhere. So ensure that you invite God, practice words of affirmations, and be grateful for each and everything that you have. And trust me, after you become that person, you'll just be unstoppable, because you're gonna get addicted to words of affirmations. You're gonna get addicted to loving yourself. You're gonna get addicted to life itself, because you're always feeling good about life. You always feel good about yourself, and you are exploring, and you are just discovering, you are feeling, and you are expressing. It's just going to work out for you. So once you practice that and become that person, you are unstoppable, and you're not gonna go back. You'll never go back if you continue doing that and inviting God into your life. Ensure that God is there with you through the process, because you are not going to do this without God. I guess I have helped you guys with tips on how to love yourself, and this is what I do. So that's why I just felt the need to tell the next person, and just to encourage someone to be in love with themselves. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe, like, and comment, and share if you like. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.